Okay, just to hopefully clarify, this coefficient of y is equivalent to this, just a common denominator. Now we have a simple fraction. This fraction can't be 0, so negative 20, the negative of 20 plus 3k over 4 can't be 0. So 20 plus 3k can't be 0, so k can't be negative 20 over 3. So if k is not 20 over 3, if k equals negative 20 over 3, the system reduces to this. And only if k equals negative 20 over 3, because that's the only way you're going to get a 0 in front of y. Otherwise, the system will reduce to this form. Now, another way of looking at it, if you go any further than this step and realize that your condition is that this can't be 0, we simply divide both sides of this equation, second equation, by negative 20 plus 3k quantity over 4. Okay, had that wrong. I said we multiply by that. We multiply by the reciprocal, which would be 4 over 20 minus 3k. Negative 20 minus 3k. And that's valid provided that this thing you're dividing by, this coefficient here, is not 0. So again, we're led to the conclusion that it doesn't work if this is 0. And we are led to the same conclusion at that point. So if we don't realize here, if we don't have the presence of mind to realize that this can't be 0, when we try to divide by it, we want to make sure we say, as we always do when we divide by an expression, provided the expression isn't 0, and that leads us to the same conclusion.